This is now day 4, and Celia made it to Oshkosh too. So I'm super excited.
Me too.
And we're gonna go check out all the planes, show you guys some air show stuff. And yeah, then we'll be heading back to Idaho Saturday morning, I think, with the crew. We're now in the center square. Which one is your favorite?
I think it's either that one.
Which one? The jet?
Yeah. Or this one. Yeah. Maybe this one. I don't know.
That one is pretty badass. Lower. A little lower. Perfect. Ready? Alright, I'll get it going. You're looking super fast. What do you got there?
Suitcase.
Okay, the story behind this is Sylvia came from Lithuania and met me here. So this is her suitcase. And
We have a mission.
yeah, we have to get this in here. Planes are firing up, we're getting ready.
I'm so excited to fly.
Yeah, what do you think? Are you ready for this long adventure? She's stoked.
I'm excited.
She's stoked that she's not in Canada, actually.
Yeah.
And she's coming back. I'm stoked too. You ready?
Yes, I am.
We're full of fuel, full of all Sylvia's stuff, and my stuff.
Of everything.
Yeah, we're pretty packed. Here we go. Yeah, I just hit fully redline, so I must have lost everything. Alright, we're not far from that little tower. To our right, that big field.
I'll keep an eye on the duster, make sure he doesn't come this way. That's a good field that Jonas picked. That's a good one, real good one. Alright, I'm going to go in and land with Jonas. Jughead's going to stay above 2,000 feet. Wagon's not landed. Yeah, I think we for sure should get Hal in there, and because he's got tools and coolant and oil. Kevin's going to orbit behind you, Bo.
I haven't found you, Jonas.
Hal, make a left turn. You're going to be on final.
Oh yeah, I got him.
Well, thank you for letting us
Oh my gosh.
use this.
Anytime. Next year we'll be here.
Yeah, we'll have to have a fly-in. Stop by and
Stop by, I'll give you a couple beers, maybe,
Yeah, exactly.
maybe a pizza or something,
Yeah.
we'll have a good
that'd
time.
be so good.
That'd be good.
See, having an engine out, you meet new friends.
Works to your
Yeah.
benefit.
Yeah.
you need to, take off on the right side of the rock, and then you can shoot that gap.
Alright, here we go. Holy cow.
There's a rock on the left.
I see it. There we go.
Yay.
Ew. Oh man, come on engine. Temperature's looking good.
Whew.
Yeah. Whew. He's right. Oh, thank you, boys.
No worries, buddy. Yeah, we're all just landed at India Sierra Whiskey right now, guys. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Cool.
Sounds good. 27 out.
Man. Ah, that sucks. Like, I don't want to...
What?
I don't know, the cap wasn't on tight. Stupid mistake. But
It's alright, it's all good.
Where do we need to head, Jason?
Does it do any, like, damage for
We're going to Kilo India Sierra Whiskey. Kilo India Sierra Whiskey.
if we ran it for a long time...
I'll try to remember.
Yeah.
But right now, do you think? No?
No.
They're all good?
Yeah, they're going to check the torque, I guess,
Okay.
and see.
The left downwind will be entering a left base for 20. Alexandria, flight of 3.
So what are we checking here, Hal?
Just to see if the head bolts are holding torque. So if they hold torque, then that means that the heads didn't get soft and shrink a little bit.
An hour and a half later, like, I need to stop for another Snickers bar.
Yeah, I think we can get by without pulling the bottom valve covers.
So it should be good.
It was off.
It was off, yeah.
Just blowing?
Well, it either came...
Whoa, rattles free?
It rattled free and came loose. Trent was saying that there was a defective cap. Hal, do you know anything about that?
No, I don't know anything about defective caps. I know that I don't buy Rotax caps. I buy Triumph caps.
Maybe I need to get a Triumph cap. It was intense, not gonna lie.
It was really fast, like everything happened.
Yeah, it was
really
quick. I think we're all good. We're firing up and we're heading... Where are we heading to? Kilo November Romeo Hotel. Feels so good. It's getting hot. Put my sandals on, so I'm gonna do the flip-flop flyer from here on out.
I still haven't mine.
How do you like them?
Cool. I like it.
We got new shoes while we're at Oshkosh. They're super fun. We like them. Really comfortable, really lightweight actually too. We're gonna get in the air and hopefully make it to Minnesota. We're still in Wisconsin. Hal wrenched on his airplane, I wrenched on mine. Steve wrenched on his. We're just flying around wrenching on airplanes is basically what we're doing and relaxing, so.
Temperature rising up, you can
Welcome to Watertown, South Dakota.
It's my first time in South Dakota.
And first time in Minnesota, right?
Yes.
So we've crossed 2 states off. Actually 3, Wisconsin.
And Wisconsin was the first
Yeah.
day as well.
We're just checking them off. Kevin, how is it going?
Oh, so good, dude. I've never felt such glassy air in my life.
It seriously was so epic.
Like, there was no thermals, no wind. It was just beautiful,
Butter.
smooth sailing.
We're tired. It's been a big day. If we have a problem between here and there running out of darkness, we're gonna have a problem, you know? You can hear it. We've scrubbed it with our bush wheel kit. We've sanded it.
Oh,
Put
nice.
a nice patch on it. Bouncy toy.
You
Corey's
can
got a
backflip
little
off that
bouncy
thing.
toy. He is excited.
Look at that wingtip's gonna go to the ground.
Alright guys, we are going to stay here tonight. And hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow.